Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all let's go to Layer, New and create null object. And hold Ctrl, click this icon for anchor point, move to center, clickation tool and move to here this anchor point. So right now select this hand side 1 and coin 1, hand side 2, finger 1, finger 2. Let's see. Okay, and let's link to null object. Select null object and let's move to right. Let's press P, open position, create new position keyframe and go to 1 second and move to left. Select keyframes, make easies and go to graph editor. Select the second keyframe, move to left, preview animation, back to keyframes and go to middle, move to down and change curves for smooth animation. Okay, so let's hold shift, press R, go to first second and create new rotation keyframe, chain rotation and go to middle, change rotation like this and go to next keyframe, change -5, select keyframes, make it easy and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can hold shift, press page down in keyboard and change this rotation to next keyframe, change 0. Select last 3 keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Let's create new rotation keyframe. Go to here and chain rotation like this and move to up, move to right. Go to 5 keyframes, chain rotation like this and move to left. Okay, let's preview animation. So we have problem with keyframes. Select all position keyframes, right mouse keyframe interpolation, change coordinate settings to linear, click OK. Let's say again. Okay, and select these rotation keyframes, go to graph editor and let's see graph. Select this keyframe, let's make keyframes like this. Press B in keyboard for select work area. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframe, select position keyframes, go to graph editor and make some graph. Change graphs like this. Okay, back to keyframes and in this time go to edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D and let's unlink. Go to here, select none, press P, create new position keyframe, go to 5 keyframes and move to down. Select keyframes, make it easy, go to graph editor, select first keyframe, move to right for fading animation. Let's see. And go to here, hold shift, press R, open rotation, create rotation keyframe and go to here and chain rotation like this. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. And in this time select this layer 1, Ctrl D, change name mask and move to up and select mask. Let's go to pen tool, zoom in here and let's create mask like this. Clickation tool and let's press M. Okay, and select mask, move to up to coin 2. Let's see. Okay, nice. Select all of them layers and click this motion blur icon. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So in this time select this null, go to here, let's chain rotation like this and move to right. Let's see. Select last few frames, move to right for slow animation and go to middle. Let's select rotation, chain rotation like this. Select null object, move to down. So in this time, select these hurt layers, right mouse and pre-compose, add name love, click OK. Open compensation, select layers, and go to first second, press P, create new position keyframe, and move to down. Let's see here. Okay, move to more, and go to next seconds, and move to up. Let's see. Okay, let's move to right this compensation. Move to right more. Okay, and select keyframes. Move to right. And select last keyframes. Move to left for more fast animation. Okay, let's move to left like this. Okay, that's good. So, back to compensation, and let's go to FS Preset, search effect wiggle. Select wiggle position. Let's use for red one. Let's see. Okay, we can change wiggle amount. Very nice. And use this wiggle position for red 2. Okay, that's good. So let's move to up. Okay, and let's go to edit, split layer, delete this first part. Nice. And select compensation, Control D, move to right for duplicates, and let's move to left. Again, Control D, move to right, and move to here. So select this layer white and move up to mask. So guys, finally let's select this finger 1 and 2, go to solo. Okay, select finger 2, let's go to anchor point, move to here, select finger 1, move to anchor point here, clickation tool, and unsolo. Select fingers and press R. So in this time, let's create new rotation keyframes and go to here, change fingers, and go to next keyframe, change like this. Okay, select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Okay, select last keyframes, move to right. Let's go to here and change fingers. And go to next keyframe, like this. So in this time, go to here and change fingers, and next keyframe, change to down. Okay, select keyframes, move to right for see finger movements, and go to here, change rotations. Let's see. Select keyframes, move to left. So let's see. Okay, this is more dynamic and realistic. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.